The Babur, whose full name was Zahir-ud-din Muhammad Babur, was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India. He was born in 1483 in Andijan, a city in present-day Uzbekistan. Babur belonged to the Timurid dynasty and was a direct descendant of the famous Central Asian conqueror Timur, Tamerlane, on his father's side, and of Genghis Khan on his mother's side. Here are some key points about Babur. Early life and rise to power. Babur inherited a small kingdom called Fergana in Central Asia at the young age of 12 after the sudden death of his father. As a young ruler, he faced numerous challenges and struggled to maintain control over his kingdom due to conflicts with neighboring powers. The invasion of India. In 1526, Babur set his sights on India, which was then fragmented into several regional powers. He led an army and defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi, at the First Battle of Panipat. This victory marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire's rule in India. Consolidation of power. After the battle, Babur faced numerous challenges in consolidating his rule. He faced resistance from regional powers, including the Rajputs and Afghans. Babur's military campaigns continued, and he gradually extended his rule over parts of northern India. Cultural and intellectual interests. Babur was not only a skilled military commander but also had a keen interest in literature, art, and gardens. He was a prolific writer and left behind a famous autobiography called the Baburnama, which provides valuable insights into his life, his conquests, and his observations about the culture and people of his time. Policies and administration. Babur adopted a policy of religious tolerance towards his subjects, and he sought to maintain stability by forming alliances with local Hindu rulers. He implemented administrative reforms, encouraged trade and commerce, and promoted the arts and literature. Legacy. Babur passed away in 1530 at the age of 47. His son, Humayun, succeeded him as the second Mughal emperor. Although Babur's reign was relatively short-lived, his conquest of northern India laid the foundation for the Mughal Empire's future expansion and consolidation under his successors. Babur's legacy as the founder of the Mughal Empire is significant. His military successes, administrative reforms, and cultural interests played a crucial role in shaping the course of Indian history. The empire he established went on to become one of the most influential and enduring dynasties in the Indian subcontinent, leaving an indelible mark on its culture, architecture, and political landscape.